How's it going? Welcome back to deep into Costa Rica. Today we're going to visit a waterfall. We're going to visit a waterfall called LLanos del Cortez. It's a nice waterfall here in Costa Rica. If you're coming to Costa Rica from San Jose, you will see that it will take you 3 hours and a half. And if you're coming from Liberia Airport, that'll be 45 to 40 minutes depending on the traffic to get to the waterfall. Now, personally, we came from Liberia. So we came from Liberia, we drove 45 minutes, and then we pull up our app Google Maps in order to get to the waterfall, and then we see there are two entrances. So please keep in mind there are two entrances. One is official and one is the kind of scam. So go into the official one. Here you can see the official one and the fake one next to it. So official one is this one. Approximately it is like 20 minutes from the entrance. So here are some instructions as to what and rules and safety information for you to come to Catarata de Llanos. So this is the ticket. 1,000 for students, locals 2,000, foreigners, visitors 4,000.
We never stand a chance.